everyone, this is Krishna Kumar Sharma from Manchester English Academy, and today's vlog is basically vlog 9 on my rooftop garden, where I teach English through showing my rooftop garden. So first and foremost, I would like to begin with the mango tree. You can see the mango tree where the little mangoes are emerging after nearly a month. Although this tree isn't ours, it belongs to our neighbor who graciously allows me to share this beauty. You can see it's growing nicely. Alright, moving on to the tomatoes, you can see how big it is. This is basically the second batch, so it's ripening splendidly. These juicy tomatoes are impressively large, as you can see. Comparable to the others in what we can get in the market, you can see it's such a big one, to be honest. Such a big one. The tomatoes are great, to be honest, and started ripening. And you can see, let me show you some of them as well. Here you go. This is the old batch. You can see the new suckers are basically come out to emerging the new growth. So new growth are basically having a fantastic one as well. And you can see the tomatoes is growing nicely here and there everywhere in my rooftop garden. As you can see, such a big tomatoes. Alright, next I'm excited to show you the special white brinjal. It's thriving abundantly and tastes delicious. You can see it's such a huge one, and I'm so happy. Similarly, the unique eggplants that I have also, you can see, oh my god, as you can see, it's such a big one. It can grow up to 1 kg and progressing very well, with some reaching probably 250 grams in just 6 or 8 days, as you can see, and some new fruits are growing nicely. Alright, so let's move on to my capsicum. Let's talk about this. So capsicums, you know, basically it's great. They are a mix of sizes. You can see these are small, some large and some small. These are as big as you get in the market. Right, it is as big as in the market, and some of them are small, and you can see red, and these little beauties are there. Alright, regarding the coriander, we have harvested around 100 grams of seeds, bidding very well to the plants, because I have harvested this one as well. You know, moving on to the Sthalapadma, as you can see, this Sthalapadma is fantastic. It's flowering beautifully, as it is. You can see the Bonnarful are, you can see the Bonnarful is also fading because of the season is almost finish. Alright, next, sadly the zucchinis are nearing the end of their season, but I'm grateful for their contribution. You can see they contributed a lot. They gave a lot of zucchinis, you know. I'm so happy, and thank you, zucchinis. On the brighter side, on the brighter note, I could say the chilies are thriving everywhere, a source of immense joy for me. You can see the chilies. Right, it's great. Alright, let's move on to the bottle gourd. Plant are showing promising growth. With 3 of the plants that I have, as you can see, the bottle gourd is there. Likewise, the pointed gourd, you can see the pointed gourd. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I never ever planted these bottle gourd, pointed gourd. You can see I have got some pointed gourd, which is called in Bangla potol. It's showing the promising growth with, with great evident, some fruiting evident as well. It's great. You can see it's moving. All right, let's move on to the strawberries. Okay, strawberries have been harvested. As you can see, strawberries has been harvested. Some are still maturing. Some are still maturing. Additionally, the cucumbers have been pruned. You can see the cucumber have been pruned, hopefully encouraging new growth. You can see my mother said cut through all the plant, but I just pruned the head, the top, hoping to have new growth. As you can see, some of the cucumbers still here. All right, moving on to the lettuce. As you can see, the lettuce, it's been harvested, offering abundance of leaves for consumption. The beans are, you can see these are the lettuce everywhere. Excellent one, to be honest. I'm very happy because I have harvested the seeds from, I collected the seeds from my own plant. Now I planted these lettuce from my own, and you can see some flowers as well. And these are the beautiful tomatoes, no, beautiful cucumbers. And also you can see some of the seeds from I got from the capsicum, and it's nicely producing as well. As you can see, it is called, it is mince, which is in Bangla pudina. Mince is everywhere. You can see some flowers. As you can see, the beans are progressing well and should be ready in 2-3 days. As you can see, the beans. All right, the bitter gourd vine are gradually growing nicely. As you can see, it's nice, it's been great, showing impressive growth. As you can see, the beans is basically going up in the sky, and bitter gourd, are nice. All right, all the garden plants is thriving right now because the weather is hot. In the winter it is not growing nicely, so it's kind of hibernating situation for all the plants, but now it's growing rapidly. Okay, so this is it, and let me show you more about my fruits and plants that I have. So you can see the tomatoes here as well, tomatoes there as well. Let me show you the new tomatoes plant. This tomatoes plant, I cut the sucker and just left it here, and as you can see, tomatoes is there already. And you can see now I could say, oh my god, it is dying due to the water. I need to water this plant so much of them. You can see so much of them. Lettuce. I need to leave this plant in little shady area because this is so hot. The flowers are here. Tomatoes growing nicely. The black peppers, you can see it's showing the flowers. And chrysanthemum, this is basically winter season flower but still producing flower. Okay, and you can see tomatoes, Chinese, it is called Chinese coriander, very nice fruits, vegetable. So all in all, it's a great honor to become a rooftop farmer, to be honest, for me, because I love gardening. And you can see some white brinjal as well, brilliantly growing on, and there as well you can see these are all local one, showing fantastic promise. Let me show you. Some of the birds are also eating the tomatoes that I have. You can see fantastically growing. Yeah, the capsicum, big capsicum. You can see it's so hot outside, so I need to water this plant so nicely in the evening. So you can see my lady's finger. Okra is also growing nicely. The tomatoes showing impressive one. As you can see this, oh my god, I think I need to wrapping it up with nicely with the rope. Okay, I'm learning, to be honest. So if you want to learn something, at least you can try. So I didn't have any experience, I only tried for the first time, and you can see the result. I didn't expected any result, I didn't wanted any fruit or something, but I always wanted to give it a try. আমি একটা চেষ্টা করেছিলাম. So now you can see. So if you want to try something, you can try it with full effort. You can't compromise your effort. If you compromise your effort, you have to compromise with your result, output, huh? So you shouldn't. So thank you everybody. I'm so happy to have you here. And so basically, if you enjoyed this update, please like and subscribe to our channel, where you can learn English and discover simple rooftop gardening techniques. Gardening is a fantastic and fulfilling way to spend your free time, and I'm hopeful to inspire you to give it a try. Thank you for watching. This is Krishna Kumar Sharma from Manchester English Academy, and I'd like to thank you for watching this. Cheers.